Hi students, MCQ number 21. The RMS speed of oxygen is small v at a particular temperature, say T. If the temperature is doubled and oxygen molecules dissociate into oxygen atoms, the RMS speed becomes what we have to determine. This question is very interesting and very excellent question which has been asked in the previous year 2015 JEE exam. Okay, joint entrance exam for engineering. Now here some clues are given. Initially the RMS velocity is V, is it not? So V1 is equal to V. At that time the temperature was equal to T, let us take, and the molar mass M1 is equal to 32 gram. So that is taken as what? Capital M. Because oxygen is in the molecular state before heating. Now after heating, what is happening, children? The oxygen is dissociated. Molecule dissociates into atom. That means what? The diatomic molecule of oxygen is split up into individual monatomic atom. So the molecular mass M2, that is the molar mass will become what? Only 16 gram. That is equal to what? M divided by 2. This is very important information to be understood, that before dissociation the molar mass of oxygen was capital M. Okay, and after dissociation into atoms, you have to understand that the molar mass is now M by 2. This is to be understood. Next, T2. T2 is twice the temperature. They have given the temperature is doubled. So all these informations are for your understanding. Then it is very simple. Our regular equation for VRMS. So VRMS, what is the regular expression we are using? Square root of 3 RT by M. So I am going to write two equations. One for the initial condition of temperature and the molar mass. So V1 is equal to square root of 3 into RT1 divided by M1. So this is equal to square root of 3 RT divided by M. And V2, this is equal to square root of 3 RT2 divided by M2. So this is equal to square root of 3 into R into 2T. Carefully you have to substitute, because T2 twice the temperature is doubled. So here T2 is what? Twice the temperature divided by. So here M2 is equal to what? M divided by 2. So this is M divided by 2. So that this is equal to square root of, this 2 is coming to the numerator. That 2 into 2 will become 4. So 4 into 3 RT divided by M. So this is equal to square root of 4 into square root of 3 RT by M. So this is square root of 4 is 2. Then square root of 3 RT by M is nothing but V1. So this is V1. That is equal to what? 2 times V, because V1 is equal to V. So what should be the answer is option C. Understand? Therefore option C is the correct answer. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.